Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this new AOA Studio Color Flush Liquid Blush. So I got this in my recent huge ShopMissA haul and this only cost $1. It comes in 5 different shades and I'm laughing because I bought this in the shade Pecan. I don't know if it's spelled, if it's pronounced pecan or pecan, but on the actual product right here, it's spelled P-E-A-C-A-N, pecan. On the website, they have it listed as pecan, like P-E-C-A-N, but even actually on the product itself, it says pecan. So they must want us to pronounce it pecan. It is cute packaging though. I like the beige accent. And so let's check out the applicator. Ooh, a little doe foot. All right, so this is cruelty-free, vegan. It says it has a natural finish, long-wearing, buildable, and non-toxic, meaning it's free of alcohol, sulfates, and other dangerous stuff. So first things first, I'm gonna do a swatch. Ooh. I would say that's a pretty thin liquidy texture, but I'm excited about this shade, a really pretty peach. It does seem kind of pigmented, so I'm gonna try the technique of hopefully blending it out if I just dot it onto my face. And let's see how it blends. Oh, okay, what happened is something that I was hoping would not happen. Where I put it on my cheek, you can see it completely removed my foundation and it left a mark there. So it does not work to apply it directly to the skin. Let's see if I just kind of put a little on my finger because I still want to be able to blend out this liquid with my finger. Kind of works. I think that's a little better. Maybe if I put it onto a little brush. It's go like that. And see if I can stipple it onto my cheek. I mean, that works, but it makes it kind of intense. I like this shade though, but this is so incredibly hard to work with and so hard to apply. Even the website doesn't have directions on how to actually apply this. So, on my other cheek, I'm gonna just start out trying it with my finger and see if maybe I just applied too much on this side. Or maybe you just have to work really quickly with it. But see, it's difficult because it is so pigmented as it goes on. So a little goes a long way. This is seriously the most difficult blush I have ever tried to apply. It does work to blend it out with the finger. But I do still feel like it's the type of formula that lifts foundation and removes foundation. But it is very pigmented and I really love this shade. It's really brightening for the skin, very warm on the skin. So I think I'm going to have to keep messing around with this and try and figure out the best technique. If you have any ideas on the best way to apply this, I would love to hear in the comments down below, but I really want to make this work. And for $1, this could potentially be an amazing blush if I can figure out the exact right amount to apply with my finger. But then I just feel like the edges of it don't blend smoothly. My cheeks look like a different color then the edge of it, I don't know, it's a very weird texture, and I think it really does melt away my makeup for a weird looking effect. But at least this was only $1 if I really cannot get it to work for me. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.